everybody, it's La Laboratory here for my second YouTube video. I hope you enjoy. Today I'm going to be making Moj Moj fluffy slime. You're going to need a mixing utensil, a bowl, a cup to put your activator in, shaving foam for the fluffiness. You're also going to need glue, a jar, as shown here, with a lid to make sure it doesn't dry out. And you're going to be needing some food coloring of your choice. I chose blue. And some borax for your activator. So let's get started. So I added some water about half the way up, put in my borax, used like a little bit of the glue, put in some shaving foam, added activator, and started mixing it with a spoon. And then I added more and kept mixing, and then I started kneading with my hands. Now I'm using my blue food coloring to make sure that it gets that nice baby blue effect that I was looking for, even though my shaving cream was blue. So since the lid had some paint on it, I just decided to stamp that on there. And make sure that you close it back up so that you can use it again. And then just stretch it and knead it to make sure that everything's all nice together. And make sure that nothing gets in or anything. And then just keep playing with it until all of it's mixed in, or until you think all of it's mixed in, because I'm not exactly sure if I mixed all of it in. And now here's my container. These are my MOJ MOJs that I got. They're so cute and stretchy. Here's my second one. It's very, very stretchy. And then here's me opening the jar. I really, really enjoy this slime because the texture of it is just amazing. Like, when you play with it on the ground and you poke it, it sounds so satisfying. Like, listen. Not sure if you can hear that, but it goes. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure you can hear that, but it's really, really satisfying. And it's so stretchy. It's amazing. Sorry, my camera kept falling. I would highly recommend doing this recipe because I found the results of this amazing. Like, beyond amazing. It was so stretchy, so fluffy, so nice to play with it, and it wasn't sticky. And it was also kind of shimmering, too. Yeah. When I did the swirl, it was so nice. It was just so soft to swirl with. And poking it was the most amazing thing. And stretching it. And the pops were so good. And now all you want to do is you want to put it back in your container once you're done playing with it. Mine kept farting. And then just screw on the lid and you're done. Well, thank you everybody for watching. If you could like, subscribe, and comment on this video, that would really help. And also if you could share it with some of your friends, that will help expand our fam. Well, have a great day. Bye.